Hey guys, it's Sadie, and today I'm gonna be doing a massive car restock for summer. This idea is basically to restock my entire car for the following events in the summer. Drive-in, sleepover, beach / pool day. I mean, that's basically about it. Like all the unexpected kind of events, just in case, because you never know when a pool day could come up, or you never know when a sleepover could arise. I have so many things that you need for these occasions. Let's restock my car. The first thing that I kind of packed for is a sleepover. Sometimes you're just like, it's getting really late and you're like, well, actually, I think I'm gonna sleep over at Vanessa's house. And then you're like, wait, I don't have my contacts case, I don't have pajamas, I don't have a toothbrush, I don't have makeup remover, and then it just gets a little complicated. So I have you here, don't even worry. This bag was just randomly under my bed and I was like not using it at all. I thought it was perfect to have as my little sleepover bag that I'm just gonna put in my trunk or maybe even in the back seat. This is from Guess. Wait, should I pose with it for the thumbnail? Okay. Deodorant, the mini spray deodorant, and this is really good for sharing too, so if anyone else forgets. Contact solution is a must for me. That is like the one thing. If I don't have contacts case or a contact solution, I actually can't sleep over. I don't know where I'm gonna put my contacts in when I'm sleeping, and then I can't see the next morning to drive home. So like that's the one thing that I'm like, well, can't sleep over if I don't have that. And a contacts case. This one's actually quite red. Lotion. Okay, this is actually such a nice lotion. This is on Amazon, I think, and it smells like Indian coconut nectar. I don't know like why I thought you'd be able to like know what that smells like by saying Indian coconut nectar. But like, it smells amazing. It literally smells like coconut. I'm literally getting a package. That was so embarrassing. The UPS guy just like comes up to my window and he's like, oh, I didn't even see you there. And I was like, oh my god, I didn't even see you either. Okay, but this smells, I can't like, it smells so like citrusy, but also coconutty. It's vegan, cruelty-free, and it has shea and mango butters in it. It's just, oh my god. And this tube is made from 50% recycled plastic materials. After you go to the pool or after you have a beach day and your skin is all like dry and sometimes like flaky, or if you got burned or something, this lotion is definitely a must. And you can also shave with lotion if you're really in a pinch, which I have something for later. Everything that I'm saying, I'm gonna link down below for you for my Amazon, and there will be a Canadian and an international link. Then I have these wipes. Let me just say one thing. If you don't want to get a yeast infection, I definitely suggest you wipe your downstairs area after you go to the beach. There's literally little granules of sand in the water, in like ocean water, and it literally gets inside of your swimsuit, and if you keep that swimsuit on, or honestly for the rest of the day, you're probably gonna have some stuff in there that you don't want in there. So I got these little sanitary wipes that are meant for that area. Make sure you don't just like take a wet one and like put it there, because like I feel like that would be even worse. They're also 98% natural from Sweet Spot Labs. I will link a similar one down below. Okay, I have a mini toothpaste. It's not like a natural toothpaste or anything, it's just a mini one just in case. Keep in mind, I also have a whole pouch in the front that I have like some of this beauty and toiletry type stuff in the front, but this is like just for sleepover. So I have a toothbrush. I need to get a cap for it or something. It's so awkward when you start your period at a sleepover and you're like dying, but you don't want to ask for Advil, because then you kind of like, I don't know, I always feel like I seem like a drug addict when I ask other people at their house if I could like take their drugs. So I'd rather just have my own, and I have these liquid gels, these extra strength Advil. Oh, I have a scrunchie if you want to like tie up your hair or take your makeup off. I also have a pair of literal shorts. You never know, because what if you don't have PJs and you don't want to sleep in the clothes that you were just in? So I have a literal pair of sleepover shorts. These are from Garage, I think. I also have a pair of NYX period underwear. These are the only thing that I wear to sleep when I'm on my period. Then I have an extra pair of underwear and an extra pair of socks. I'm surprised I didn't put like 6 pairs of underwear in here. I was really like trying to pack minimally. I say pack minimally and I have like 80 things in my lap. I almost completely forgot to show you everything that I picked up at the dollar store for sleepovers. I actually just got this literal $1.50 t-shirt because I was not about to bring like one of my actual good t-shirts in my car forever. So this is literally just to sleep in. Then I have hair ties. Oh my god, that's actually so funny. They give you like literally 30 hair ties and then they give you an extra 3 as if it's like something crazy. I have some Burt's Bees makeup wipes. These are my favorite makeup wipes because these are like the most natural ones that you can get at Shoppers or Walmart. Need. Then I have this mini razor. Say you're going to the beach or you're going to a pool or going in someone's hot tub. It's so awkward when you literally haven't shaved. It taints the whole experience. So a mini razor. I almost forgot, you need a phone charger. I need to get another block, and I need to get like an actual Apple charger, but this one is just like a no-name brand iPhone charger, but it's not the actual Apple one, and it keeps cutting out in my car, so I feel like I need to just buy the actual one. And then I just have an extra laptop charger. Okay, I can't take this little thing off, which is literally gonna bug me. I got a mini hairbrush. It's super cute. This is just from the dollar store. And I got my favorite lip balm ever. It's the Burt's Lip Conditioning Lip Balm. So moisturizing, and I'm gonna need it after a dehydrating sleepover. You know when you wake up from a sleepover and you feel like all of the life has been sucked out of your soul and your skin, and you just need like moisture on moisture? That's what I feel like whenever I wake up from a sleepover, like no matter where I'm sleeping. That is my sleepover bag. Now we're gonna move on to the beach category, and this is like super summer. First and foremost, this is a little bit extra. If you came to a Sadie Aldis YouTube video about your car, you probably should have expected this. I'm bringing a cooler. This is the Marc Jacobs cooler that I got gifted, and it's actually so sick because it locks right here, and then on the inside it's super cute. Inside this cooler I'm gonna put the Marc Jacobs water. I think it's like sparkling water, yeah, and it's actually really good just to have water all the time in your car because dehydration is actually super dangerous. Two things I also picked up are these little cups with straws, because sometimes when you buy like a big drink, Sprite or something like that when you're going to the beach, and then you want to share it with people but you don't want to like drink out of the same thing. I'm just gonna put them in here. I am shocked. It looks so cute in there. I also got these paper straws. This is what it looks like on the inside. You know, sometimes you are wearing sneakers and your little Air Forces with your little socks, and you are going to the beach and you're like, there is no way I'm gonna get my Air Forces that dirty. So you just need a pair of lemon flip-flops. You need the lemon ones. I just got these at the dollar store, and this is actually just for fun, but I'm also putting in the Marc Jacobs paddle ball, or is this pickleball? I don't know. Rackets and balls. I also have this little net thing, so if I have like a wet bathing suit or something that got dirty, I can put it in here and then wash it when I get home, just to keep it separate from all of my clean stuff. Oh my god, I really have thought of everything. Like, I've thought of everything here. I obviously have a swimsuit, so this is one that I don't usually wear really often, or I don't have an actual like matching set, but these are bottoms from Shikini. This is actually from Amazon. I actually really do like these bottoms. They fit really well on me, surprisingly. And then I have this top from Aerie, which is so cute, and adjustable straps. When you're all sandy and you don't want to get a ton of sand in your car, which I am pretty clean freak about my car, if like you didn't know by like the 18 million videos I've done cleaning my car, I have a microfiber cloth to brush off the sand before you get into my vehicle, please. Then I have a hat. This is the Hannah Maloche Kalani's Kinis hat under the sun. So cute. Oh, and then I have a towel. And this actually goes so well. I have some sunscreen. I have some sunscreen, a speaker. You want to be the person that remembered to bring a speaker. And this one is also waterproof. You can get it on Amazon, so I will link this for you, but you're gonna want a speaker at the beach. It makes everything more fun. All of this I feel like I'd literally use. It's just saving time packing, and it's just if you want to be more spontaneous, you already know that you have all this stuff in a bin in your car, so you don't even have to think about it. And the last thing that you have to prepare for, which is one of my favorite activities to do in the summer, oh hey, is a drive-in, because there are so many mosquitoes and it actually gets really cold. These are just ones from Garage. They say NYC, along with this White Fox hoodie, so I could wear them both at the same time. And it's just my beige White Fox. It says White Fox on the back. Super cute and very comfy. For a drive-in, you also want a flashlight, because sometimes your phone dies and you don't know where you are. If you're like walking to get a drink or walking to the bathroom, you're gonna want a flashlight. And mosquito repellent. I swear I just have the juiciest, sweetest, most savory blood of all, because mosquitoes just love to just be around me. I'm magnetic, so you're gonna need some mosquito spray, but there are more natural ones that you can get, so I just have this natural herbal outdoor spray. Next, I have a pillow. This is so crucial for drive-ins because I will put these seats down. You can like lean against these, but it's not that comfortable, so I will usually bring a pillow, and then I'll usually bring another one, but I'll just keep this one because it says Sadie says hey, and it's like really funny. It's really funny to me, so I thought it was just fitting. And then I also have a blanket in the back, but that's always there. Let's go organize my back seat, and then I'll show you where everything is. It's like high-key raining outside, so do I even need this? Well, I am in Canada, but I feel like I won't need to shovel snow off of my windshield. Me like actually thinking about it, like wow, I feel like it could literally snow tomorrow. Okay, I'm just gonna put this there. I already have this bin of all of my cleaning stuff. Oh my gosh, wait, my little hair curler. So I need to reorganize stuff, so let's just do a little time lapse of, but I'm gonna play some music and organize this bag. Okay, I just reorganized this whole bag and this is what it looks like on the inside. It's kind of organized, like there's not really that many pockets, but I also just have all of my chargers in the outside pocket. So that is my sleepover bag. Oh, I love having everything packed. It just makes me so excited. Now I kind of want to organize this bin because like there's a ton of stuff in it, but it's not organized at all. So this bin is gonna be drive-in and beach. Oh, but I also am gonna put my cooler in here. It won't fit. I'm gonna do my little car tour, summer car tour for the restocking gods. This is the layout that I have. It's probably gonna change once my mom sees us and is like, oh, you can also fit it this way. But this is what I came up with. So this is all the stuff that I already had here, but then I just put the Sadie Says Hey pillow in there. And then I have all of my sleepover stuff here, just kind of slid in the middle. Over here, I have the bin of all of the beach and all of the drive-in stuff. But let me show you. The little igloo is gonna go there. And then I have all of the sunscreen and mosquito repellent and lotion and speaker and all the things right there in that corner. And then I have that, and then all of the clothing, towels and blankets and stuff at the bottom, and then the rackets right there. So I think it's all organized and kind of separated into like each category and things that you would need. And this is the overview of, oh well, that's my phone, the overview of the trunk. Okay, I don't know what it is about filming videos outside and in my car. It just makes me feel like my old channel. I don't know, does this video remind you of the first car restock that I ever did? Like when I just bought my car and I was like organizing and decorating my car. It just actually feels so nostalgic. I don't know why. Like I feel like I'm in 2020 again. Well, actually, let's not go back to 2020. Let's not do that. But the idea of the car, let's keep that in our hearts. Super mom packed car. I love being the mom friend with like all the little things. And also things that I didn't mention were gum and mints, which I actually have to buy some more. Cutlery, which I actually have in the front of the car because like whenever I get Wendy's salads, my friends and I love Wendy's salads. They like almost never give you forks. Oh, there's a car. No. Oh my god, they're stopping. They're stopping. Oh no, they're going. Okay, this is my cutie little car for the summer. I'm honestly probably just gonna like keep this stuff in here all year round. Like probably want to even go to university too, because like why not? If you don't have anything to put in your trunk, why not just have a bunch of Marc Jacobs sparkling waters? I love organizing, I love decorating, and I love doing these kind of like restock organization videos. I also love car videos. Like I watch these TikToks all the time. But I hope you subscribe and stick around. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.